Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of July 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.77. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -2.95%. This translates to an average loss of -1.48% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential for decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -25.32% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -55.05% to +11.85%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a -35.96% change. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from -50.16% to +15.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $145.39 and $336.18. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group features the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for UnitedHealth Group. On the last trading day, Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, the stock price of UnitedHealth Group decreased by 2.95%, dropping from $300.58 to $291.71. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.32%, reaching a low of $291.03 and a high of $300.68. Notably, the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, amounting to a total decrease of 6.49% during this period. Trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, slightly raising the risk for the upcoming days. In total, 15 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $4.48 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $630.73 and its lowest price of $248.88. Currently, the price is 53.75% or $339.02 below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, often referred to as UNH, is currently facing considerable volatility as it navigates several challenges, such as regulatory scrutiny and increasing costs associated with Medicare Advantage. Recent insider buying activity, combined with the stock's historically low valuation, indicates a possible turning point ahead. Analysts predict that the second quarter could represent a low point in earnings, which might create an opportunity for a resurgence in investor confidence. Despite a notable decline of 40% year-to-date, UNH is viewed as significantly oversold. Many experts believe that all negative news has likely been priced in, offering an appealing risk-to-reward scenario. The return of former CEO Stephen Hemsley could suggest a strategic shift aimed at addressing key profitability and operational issues. Analysts anticipate a potential 44% upside based on conservative growth projections. Additionally, the possibility of share buybacks or optimistic guidance following the earnings report could further drive the stock's recovery. However, short-term fluctuations are expected. UNH recently experienced a decline of 1.16%, even as broader markets experienced gains. Moreover, developments within the commercial insurance segment appear to provide a stabilizing effect against the pressures stemming from Medicare. The dynamics of the larger market along with upcoming earnings reports from competitors such as Elevance Health, are also crucial to monitor, as these could influence the overall sector's health and potentially affect UNH's stock in the long run. In summary, while uncertainties persist, the change in leadership and appealing valuation may enhance investor sentiment in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned a buy rating to UNH coupled with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, Barclays assigned an overweight rating to UNH, also with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also assigned an overweight rating to UNH, with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Wells Fargo provided an overweight rating for UNH, along with a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, KeyBank assigned a negative rating to UNH while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025. And so far, it has risen by 6.33%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $301.46 and $304.41. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 41 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 61 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $274.35. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support level may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is typically traded at a substantial volume and with minor daily fluctuations. The risk is generally considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $9.65, which is equivalent to 3.32% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.29%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a subdued expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.08. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $291.91. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $274.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of July 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Michelle J. Hooper conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 95.686. In total, insiders acquired 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group displays several negative signals and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a pessimistic view of this stock. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $2.76, starting at a price of $294.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.